Minus meets minus, it becomes plus. 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 2 is 12. Then write down your minus. 8 times 9 is 72. Then what? Write down your minus. When 15 is divided by 3, it gives us 5, right? Good. Minus is dividing minus. Minus is meeting minus again, so it becomes what? Plus. Good. Eight divided by 2 is what? 4. Good. Then write down your minus. 9 divided by 3 is what? 3. Then write down your minus. Do you understand? Good. Now give me I5. Give me another I5. Good.